Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you something a little different than my typical videos, so I won't be cooking today, but I'm going to show you how to make hand sanitizer at home. Now this way is much cheaper than buying it at the store, and plus right now most stores are sold out, so why not learn how to make it at home? So we have 70% alcohol. You can use 70% to 95%, but you want it to be at least 70%. Aloe vera gel, and my favorite essential oil, which is peppermint. You can use any scent that you like, but I prefer peppermint, especially for hand sanitizer, because it's very cooling and refreshing when you apply it on your hands. And then an empty squeeze bottle, you can buy these from your local Dollar Tree. The travel bottles work fine. So the first thing you're going to do is add 1/3 of a cup of the aloe vera. And then we're going to add 2/3 of a cup of alcohol to this. You want to make sure all your utensils that you're using are very clean. So we're going to add 2/3 of a cup of alcohol and mix that in. And then if you like that consistency, then just leave it as is. But if you want it to be a little bit thicker, you can add a little bit more aloe vera. So maybe like a spoonful or a little bit less than a spoonful. And just mix everything in. And then we'll be adding the essential oil. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add my essential oil. So I'm going to be using peppermint, but you can use whatever scent that you like. And I'm going to be adding about 15 drops, but of course you can add as much or as little as you want because this is just for scent. So if you'd like to completely leave it out, you can also do that. So you don't have to add essential oil, it's just for scent. So you're just going to mix that in really well. And this is what it's going to look like. And now I'm just going to go ahead and pour it into my bottle, and then it'll be ready for use. And that is it for this video. It is that simple to make your own hand sanitizer at home. Thank you guys for watching.